The big story on Action News tonight is breaking news from Montgomery County Court in Norristown. Pennsylvania Attorney General Kathleen Kane has been ordered to stand trial on charges of perjury and obstruction of justice. Kane arrived at the courthouse for the start of her preliminary hearing today. She made no comment to the crush of media as she walked to the courtroom. She is, of course, accused of leaking secret grand jury information to a newspaper reporter for the purpose of embarrassing rival prosecutors. Action News reporter Chad Pradelli is live outside the courthouse tonight. Chad, what are the details here?
Well, Jim, this is a perjury case, and it appears that porn is going to be part of Attorney General Kathleen Kane's defense on these charges. You may recall that Kathleen Kane conducted a review of the Jerry Sandusky case and why it took prosecutors so long to bring charges. During that review, she found that porn was emailed on office computers and throughout the Attorney General's office. Well, a short time ago, her defense attorney says those porn emails will be part of her defense. And in the hearing, he wanted to present those, but he would not say, as he took the podium a short time ago, why or how they relate to this perjury case.
I'm not testing my defense with the media. I'm not previewing my defense to the media. My obligation is to my client, and that's the case that I want to resolve, and I intend to resolve it favorably.
Led by her twin sister and other supporters, Attorney General Kathleen Kane had no comment as she entered the Montgomery County courtroom. Prosecutors first called Special Agent David Pfeiffer, who works under Kane in the Attorney General's office. He testified that Kane requested a 2009 memo regarding the investigation of J. Wyatt Mondesire, then the head of the Philadelphia chapter of the NAACP. It was written by Agent Bill Davis and directed to then Chief Deputy Attorney General Frank Fina under Kane's predecessor, Tom Corbett. Prosecutors allege Kane directed the release of the grand jury file to the press to smear Fina for ultimately not prosecuting Mondesire, who has denied any wrongdoing. Kane testified to a grand jury that she never saw the memo prior to its release in news reports, but Pfeiffer testified he showed Kane and her aides the file prior to the news report. But what is the motive for the grand jury leak? Sources say Fina and Kane had been at odds after Fina tried to prosecute several Philadelphia Democrats during a corruption investigation. When Kane took office, she terminated the investigation and alleged racism. All of the Philadelphia Democrats are African American. Fina has denied the allegation of racism, and he later went to the Philadelphia District Attorney's office where DA Seth Williams reopened the case that resulted in several convictions. Kane is accused of releasing the grand jury material, lying about it, and spying on her subordinates to see who was cooperating with the investigation. And Kane has a formal arraignment scheduled for October 14th. Now, one of her aides, Patrick Reese, is also charged in this case, but he's being tried separately. I'm live in Norristown. Chad Pradelli, Channel 6 Action News. Jim?
Thank you, Chad.